Hello guys, it's Muya from Learn Anything or Everything, and here we're going to try a practice problem on geometric progressions. We're given this question which says, if x minus 2, x and x plus 3 are the first three terms of a GP, find the value of x. That's A. B is find the common ratio. Let's go to A. We have three terms, x minus 2, x and x plus 3. Those are our first three terms. But if you remember, in a geometric progression, the common ratio can be found using the formula Tn over Tn minus 1, which is the same as T2 over T1, or T3 over T2, or T4 over T3, or T5 over T4. But in our question here, we've only been given three terms, T1, T2, and T3. And if T2 over T1 is the same as T3 over T2, we can make this an equation and solve for x. So let's take it out. I get this, brought it here. As you can see, I said T2 over T1 equals T3 over T2. T1 is equal to x minus 2. T2 is equal to x, and T3 is equal to x plus 3, as stated in our question. So I just replace these values in there. I get for T2, put x. For T1, x minus 2. For T3, x plus 3. For T2, I put x. And just like normal mathematics, we cross multiply. We get x times x, and we get x plus 3. We get all of this above here multiplied with all of this down here. So we get x times x equals x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 2. X multiplied by x gives us x squared. When we expand these brackets, our result is x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. And when we simplify this, we get x squared equals x squared plus x minus 6. Take like terms on one side, the x goes that side, we get x squared minus x squared equals x minus 6. These cancel each other out. You're left with x minus 6 equals 0. Your x is equal to 6. And you just found the value of x. Let's go into the next part of the question, B. Find the common ratio. We were told, guys, don't forget this. Common ratio is Tn over Tn minus 1 for any given geometric progression. So let's use that. The formula for common ratio, as we stated, is Tn over Tn minus 1. So we just get any of them. So I picked getting the second term and the first term. If you wanted, you could have got the third term over the second term, the sixth term over the fifth term. So you get the same answer. So that's what I put. I replaced my second term was x, and my first term was x minus 2 as from the question. But if I remember correctly, yes, my first term was x minus 2, my second term was x. And we found our x is equal to 6. So I replace x for 6. I get 6 over 6 minus 2, which is equal to 6 over 4, which is equals to 1.5. And that's how you go about such questions relating to geometric progression. Thank you guys for watching.